Welcome to another episode of Extension Gardener on the Crystal Coast. I'm Shawn Banks. What I want to do today is to show you how to build a hoop house to hold a row cover to protect the plants inside from insects. So what we need for materials is we need this PVC, and that's going to form the structure. We'll need some clamps to hold the fabric in place. We'll need some screws, and what the screws are going to do is they're going to hold the rib that keeps the hoops spaced evenly apart. We've got the fabric, we've got the screwdriver, and we've also got a tape measure to measure so that we get everything put together right. So the process that we're going to use is we're going to take the PVC, we're going to stick one end in the ground, bend it all the way over, and stick the other one in the ground. And this is 1/2 inch PVC, so it's flexible enough that it will cover and make that nice little hoop. Put the rest of these in at about every 2 feet. Once we get all 7 ribs in, we'll take the top piece that's going to go all the way across the top, and it's going to form a spine. What I'm going to do now is pre-drill holes through the center of the pipe, and that'll make it easier to put the screws in. We'll put 1 screw at each of the ribs to make sure that it stays in place. And then what we need to do is we need to measure how far or how much material we need, and then we'll be able to cut the material. Okay, so to match the 20 feet from one side to the other, we've rolled the fabric out and we're going to cut it at 20 feet. So we'll have 20 feet of fabric to go over the top. Now it's just a matter of putting it over the top. So now what we'll do is we'll cover the frame over. And if we did this right, there should be enough fabric we'll clip on here, clip on the other side, and then to make sure that this doesn't come off on this end here, we're gonna pull this tight, tuck that in, do the same thing over here. Keep that tight, press that down. We're gonna go halfway down, crimp it on the wood, and we'll do the same thing on the other end and the other side. And that's how we do a completed row cover. Until next time, happy gardening.